Hey everybody, John Michaelides, Prosperity Group. Today I am with Patrick M. Hale of Hale Law. Patrick, say hi.
How's it going?
Good.
Nice to see you guys.
Tell us a little bit about your law firm. Give us your background.
Yeah, so I was born and raised in Orlando, Florida. I'm fifth generation Floridian. Not many people can say that. I want to be a trial attorney. So I went over to St. Petersburg, went to law school there.
When did you graduate?
I graduated law school in 2014.
2014. Where'd you go to work when you graduated?
So right out of law school, a personal injury attorney that I worked for, a solo practitioner, he said, hey, you really want to do personal injury? But what I would do and what he did was start off at the state attorney's office. He's like, you'll get a ton of trial experience. You'll be in the courtroom every single day. So that's what I did for the first 3.5 years.
So you were a prosecutor for the state of Florida for 3.5 years?
Yes.
How'd you like that?
I loved being a prosecutor. I loved going to trial saying I represent the people of the state of Florida.
One thing I got from our talking before we started the video was the fact that service to others seems to be a big part of who you are. You were representing the people of the state of Florida against bad guys and girls, let's say.
Yeah.
When you went into the practice of law, you told me you had worked a bit with insurance companies. Love insurance companies, nothing against them. Insurance companies' role is to pay as little as they can while honoring their policy pledges, right? And you weren't comfortable with that, and you decided to go to the other side, and you opened your firm in personal injury because...
So, ultimately what it comes down to, and they try to go and nickel and dime everything. They don't want to pay people. All they want to do is they looked at me and they said, hey, why should we pay these people less?
They're a business and they're trying to minimize their costs. He didn't like that. You had told me, correct me if I'm wrong, that your main bread and butter, not the only cases you'll take, are car accidents involving injuries. So you felt that if someone's hurt in an accident, maybe they need surgery, maybe they're going to be laid up for 6 months, they need the money. It's not about greed and wanting to get every nickel out of the insurance company. It's about, hey, I need to fix myself. That's why I had insurance.
Yeah.
And your job is to help them maximize what they can get.
Absolutely. If someone's injured, that's the person I want to represent. I don't want someone, and you have this false narrative out there pushed by the insurance companies that, there's all this fraud and everyone's, trying to get as much money and scam the insurance companies. That's not what's happening. So my goal for my clients is that they go to the doctor and they focus on what really matters, which is getting better. They just go to the doctor, do what the doctor says, get better, and I'll handle the legal side of things.
So let me ask you this. Google personal injury law firm, Sarasota, Florida, Venice, Florida, Bradenton, Florida, Bradenton, Florida. Hale Law will come up. Main office in Sarasota, but they have appointment-only offices throughout our local region here. So why should they go with you?
Number one reason, when you call any law firm, right, you don't always get an attorney on the line. If you're injured and it's not your fault and you call my office, you call our line, you're going to speak with an attorney right away. And I understand, and our law firm across the board, we all understand that client communication is the number one thing. So you get to speak with your attorney, because if we don't know you, we don't know your story, and we don't know how this has affected your life, then how are we really going to zealously advocate for you? So client communication, you get to speak with an attorney, and knowing you as an individual, that's what's going to get you more value for your case. Because the thing is, once your case is settled, that's not the end of it for my clients. They still have to go to the doctor. They have future medical bills that are going to arise. And we want to make sure that they have money in the bank to be able to take care of financially anything that's going to arise.
So the vibe I'm getting is you're not just a case number, you're an actual name of a person that needs help, and this law firm understands that and is going to treat you as a person who needs help and not just a case number. So Patrick, hands-on, caring, legal services. Car accidents, your mainstay, but not only.
Correct. So, we take wrongful death cases, we handle those, motorcycle accidents, truck accidents, and we also do medical malpractice. And I'll tell you what, if you're injured in an accident, tell the insurance companies you're going to Hale.
Well, there you have it. We've been talking to Patrick Hale of Hale Law. This is John Michaelides with Prosperity Group. You can contact me for all of your real estate needs, and you can contact Patrick for all of your personal injury needs.
Absolutely.
Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.
Take care.